Hey, boys and girls, my name is Miss Jacobs, and this is Miss Case. And she is a friend of mine. She's also one of our other fourth grade math teachers. Today, we want to teach you about place value relationships.
I was thinking about that word relationships. You know, we're in a lot of relationships. Friendships with our friends, relationships with our parents and our siblings. So relationships are ways in which we do things together, how we relate, right?
Yes.
Jacobs?
Like our brothers
Yep.
and sisters.
Yep.
Okay. Take it away.
All right, so I want you to think of something that has value. So I have a valuable friendship with Miss Case. We work together. We help each other out in planning lessons. And I know that you have someone that is valuable in your life, or you may even have something that's valuable to you. Maybe something that your grandparents gave you. So today, we're going to think of all things that are valuable for us.
What is this? What are all these numbers? And what do they mean, Miss Jacobs?
Well, this is our place value chart. I know that we've been talking about place value for the last several weeks. We started our ones column and we have gone all the way to the millions. Well, you know what? Each one of these columns has a relationship with the other.
Really?
Yes, Miss Case, did you know that?
You mean like the tens are related to the hundreds and the hundreds are related to the thousands?
They are related. They are all related because when I go from ones to tens, I increase by times 10. If I go from tens to hundreds, I increase by times 10. And it keeps going. So from one place value to the next, we increase by times 10.
I get it. You know how like when you're counting and you get 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, but then when you get to 10, you can't put two digits in that column. You carry it over, right? So that's a 10. And then when I get 10 tens, it goes to the hundreds. And then
it goes to the thousands.
Times 10, right?
Times 10.
Every time it goes by 10. I get it. I remember that now.
Yes. So let's see how our numbers can have relationships. So what is the relationship between the fours and the number 7,442? Miss Case, do you see anything?
Well,
a relationship.
I noticed that they're beside each other, right? So,
Yes.
Ooh, goodness. I'm thinking that because they're right beside each other, one column is 10 less and one is 10 times more. Is that close?
That is close. You're exactly right. So let's think about the value of my first four in the hundreds. This is worth 400. And my four in the tens is worth 40. Yes.
40.
Yes.
So the 4 in the hundreds place, right, Miss Jacobs?
Yes.
Is 40 times 10 more?
Yes, 10 more.
Is 10 times greater than the 4 in the hundreds. Tens place. Yes?
Yes, that's exactly right. So by tens and hundreds, they have a relationship. And let's think, 400 is bigger than 40. It's 10 times bigger.
Got it.
Awesome. Let's do another example for our wonderful students at home.
Okay, I'm going to let you take this one.
Okay.
So obviously we're looking at the sevens because they're the same, right?
Yes.
So what do you think?
I think that the relationship between these two sevens is that the 7 in the thousands place is 10 times greater than the 7 in the hundreds place.
Looking good, Miss Jacobs. Looking good.
Do y'all think I'm right? Yes. Awesome.
All right, what's next?
All right. Now, what we want you to do is we want you to use this sentence right down here. We want you to look at each of our underlined digits, and we want you to use this sentence and say that sentence to someone at your house and teach them about place value relationships. So let's do one example, Miss
All right,
Case.
sounds good. So I'm looking at this one, and I'm saying, Miss Jacob, did you know that the value of the 8 in the hundreds place, whoops, so sorry, gotta go back. The value of the 8 in the hundreds place is 10 times the value of the 8 in the tens.
Yes, you are exactly right.
Got it.
And you were able to use this sentence right here to help us tell our parents about it. Okay?
Now it's your turn.
Yes. So you do the rest.
You got this. Relationships.
All right. You don't forget your assignment today is in Edulastic. Make sure you have it turned in by your teacher's deadline, and we will see you guys next week.
Bye-bye.